glued to their TV today to watch the first big game between Pakistan and England, that too in Karachi.
What are the key points for you here?
First of all, good evening, David and Wasim bhai. Assalamu alaikum, and good evening, everybody. But the key points here is that we've got 7 T20Is to look forward to.
Tucked away through the onside. 2 balls into this innings and we have the first boundary.
Exactly what Babar needed. First delivery, just...
Good running. Just for a moment I thought we might have 3 balls with 1. Leg stump. That man has moved, as Wasim said. Now, it's the first time that these two have had a moment of indecision. Very, very good, of course. Well, there's the leg side. Not a great delivery from Sam Curran. It's not Rizwan, it's Baba who has just helped it past the man who's now up in the... One-handed in the end, but it's got just enough to get past the fielder. Good piece of work though. It was a little laboured in the field. Cut away firmly and very precisely behind square. Absolutely no margin for error here if you're David Willey or anyone else with the ball in hand. Out on its way, change of line, the adjustment from David Willey too far. Margins are so slim here, but he was just a little bit leg side. The gap is enormous down there. Sweet shot, really sweet shot. Pure timing. Slightly uppish, not quite out of the middle of the bat. 2 men. Well, that's a great piece of fielding. First of the night, a play and a miss.
A very experienced T20 bowler. He just got picked up. We got another 9 deliveries to go. That's another good shot. Through mid-wicket, this will race away to the boundary. It's a fast outfield here.
I love the telepathy. And that has been slammed down the ground. Quite a magnificent stroke from Rizwan. England under pressure here.
He's gaining in.
And that's a 50 partnership. 50 for Pakistan, another 50 partnership for... He moves around the crease again. Oh, he's found the gap. That's a magnificent piece of placement. Sam Curran saw him coming and dragged his length back. But Rizwan is in such good touch. Oh, that is glorious. Quite magnificent.
What I really like about Rizwan, especially tonight, is that he's using
top edge. He's going to get away with it. Work to do. Very civilised. Amir. But that is uncivilised. Unceremoniously dumped out of the ground. What a strike. In the 7 matches we'll see. Oh, got him. Oh, that is a ripper. Not picked. And that is the end of Baba. Adil Rashid, you lit. Immersed in that injury. Oh, that's beautifully struck. Working beautifully together. It's well bowled from David Willey. Good Yorker.
The Pakistani goes self. So next time bring your laundry.
Up in the air, but straight to the man. Comfortably taken, David Willey. Positioned himself perfectly. Moen brings himself back in. That's a nicely struck shot and just has enough on it. The desperate dive. Oh, that's well bowled. That is nicely bowled. Much quicker, flatter. Saw him coming, saw the intent. Phil Salt just does what he has.
Serving you.
Top edge. That's going to be the end. Shan Masood back into the lineup, played one pleasing stroke over extra cover for
you, maybe.
Oh, bang! That's out of here. That is a magnificent strike. Shake of the head from Willie. Someone's got to go and fetch it.
Bowled him.
Oh! Skittles everywhere. That ball perhaps stayed down a little bit, but Luke Wood has his high full toss, and that has been dispatched. Huge blow.
Good. Well, they're checking if he has stepped over or touched the skirting. Is it 6 or catch?
And that's leg side as well, and there's a man there, and he takes the catch. Sam Curran this time. England not fluffing their lines in the outfield. Big smile on the face. Gets that one up there as well. Gets a well bowled from Waqar Younis off air. That is high praise indeed, and that's an excellent finish for
Caliber of this batsman is big.
Well, it's edged, and it goes very quickly down to third man, where it's well fielded, but at pace, had a bit of bounce. That new ball was going through there.
And that's a wide delivery. And that was trebling. No chance for the wicketkeeper to stop that one.
Now there's the reputation as we knew it and as we now know it.
Here.
Very good over from Nawaz. 15. Beautiful shot over the top and mid-off. A couple of bounces. Dahani will also find. Oh, fabulous shot. He's got under. Oh, what a catch! Well, I thought he got hold of it strongly enough to clear that rope. It's a long boundary out there, but Hyder Ali positioned himself. Slammed away. Too full, too wide. It's found a way through. That's clever from Hales. He had to go a long way to the onside.
First of the matches, I think, by the Sunday to sell out every single night. And that flood relief cause is absolutely fantastic. All of tonight's
Oh, nicely worked away with the softer hands. Guided the ball to. And of course, Pakistan.
Oh, full toss. That's no length at all, and that has been dealt with by Dawid Malan. It's going to be very interesting to see the
Get it!
Got him! Use the facilities, pitch the ball, turn the ball, and the catch comes back your way. That is a terrific strike. Great comeback. Short, crashed away. Boy, he hits the ball so hard. So difficult to
Times. Edge. Just went over the keeper. Might just...
That's straight at the man. Oh, he's dropped it. Shan Masood. Dropped it. There goes the reverse. And it's gone very well. 1-2 bounces. Finger went up straight away. That's the reply from Osman Qadir. Sub-Saharan Africa, that is. Well, that's clever. That is very clever. First ball of the over. Well, that edge will fly very quickly. Races. Pace off again. And four
to the visitors. Beautiful stroke from Harry Brook. Perfectly controlled, not a hint of risk. Absolutely hammered by Alex Hales.
Situation, it's a good look at this shot. What a beautiful shot, inside out. The balance was there, the follow through was there, and one bounce into the fence.
Down the leg side, it's taken the glove, but it's also Run
In Pakistan, in the air, can he take it? Yes, taken. Babar took the catch, and that's what Pakistan's been looking for a long.
Oh, edge. Full toss has been pumped through extra cover.
Semi-final or knockouts.
Oh, touch. What a touch that is. 150. Excellent.
Whoa, it's not over yet.
That's
It's
a
not
great
over.
start. Oh, that's it. It's all over. The crowd were momentarily excited.